In this lecture, we explored the captivating and intricate realm of nonverbal communication, placing particular emphasis on the subtle and complex cues that both in-person and digital media contribute to our understanding of others' emotions. Nonverbal communication comprises an essential percentage of our overall communication, with research citing that up to 93% of communication effectiveness stems from nonverbal cues. These cues are typically broken down into body language and facial expressions, which account for 55%, and vocal tone or vocalics, which account for 38%. We delved into a variety of elements that encompass nonverbal communication, including microexpressions, vocal tone, and asynchronous cues such as emojis and tonal leakages, all of which profoundly impact the efficacy of communication across different contexts. Microexpressions, our first topic of analysis, are those fleeting, involuntary facial expressions that represent genuine emotions. Despite their brief duration, often lasting only a fraction of a second, they are windows into a person's unspoken emotions and can sometimes contradict verbal communications. For example, during a verbal assertion of happiness, a fleeting moment of sadness may reveal a deeper underlying emotion. Recognizing such microexpressions entails training to observe subtle changes around the facial muscles, particularly those around the eyes, mouth, and forehead. This skill provides a significant edge in understanding emotional states, potentially enriching our interpersonal relationships. Next, we examine vocalics and paralinguistics, the nonverbal elements associated with voice, including tone, pitch, volume, and tempo. These characteristics often reveal an individual's emotional state, as nuances in speech can signify emotions ranging from excitement to defeat. Paying attention to these vocal nuances is particularly vital during conflicts or negotiations, as the emotional resonance of speech can either de-escalate tension or inadvertently fuel it. Thus, understanding and harnessing vocalics enhances our ability to communicate empathetically. In today's digital era, written communication represents another complex frontier for understanding tone. Because text-based messages lack the immediate nonverbal cues inherent in face-to-face conversations, they are prone to misinterpretation. This lecture highlighted the significance of developing skills to interpret the finer details of text, including punctuation, capitalization, and syntactic structure. For instance, a seemingly straightforward "okay" might convey varying emotions like agreement or sarcasm, depending on contextual use. Context is crucial in interpreting these subtleties, alongside maintaining digital empathy, which involves being attuned to emotional cues in online interactions. We also explored the notion of digital empathy, which emphasizes awareness of others' emotions within digital communications. Emojis, commonplace in digital text, possess the ability to convey emotions succinctly, adding another layer of depth to written communication. Notably, although emojis like smiley faces or frowning emoticons can succinctly express warmth or disappointment, understanding their cultural and contextual variances is crucial for effective communication. Lastly, we touched upon nonverbal leakage, a concept wherein true emotions unintentionally manifest through nonverbal behaviors, including body language and vocal tone. Such leakages often occur during high-stakes discussions where underlying emotions surface, providing invaluable insights into an individual's true emotional state. Recognizing discrepancies between verbal and nonverbal messages allows for more effective navigation of conversations, encouraging both sensitivity and an opportunity for clarification. In conclusion, decoding nonverbal and asynchronous cues represents a core component of enhancing interpersonal relationships. Through keen observation of microexpressions, vocalics, and the subtleties within digital communication, we cultivate increased social awareness and emotional intelligence. This module encourages continued practice of these skills, emphasizing their impact on both personal development and professional environments. By mastering these abilities, we foster stronger human connections and enhance our capabilities as empathetic communicators and leaders.